Today's video is going to start out in the same way that a lot of our videos have been starting out recently. We're not changing up the script much. We're not saying new things. It's like every video starting out with, it's all new. You gotta have it. You must use this tool accessory. They've revolutionized, disrupted the tool game. You know, and that's pretty much how this all starts out, because doggone it, it's true. They've done it again. If you are not using this new tool, you're falling behind. It's brand new from the ground up. You ain't going to be disappointed. We're going to tell you all about it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. We have the 6-in-1 Fastback. It's product number 48221505. It's got that press and flip. A couple of the features, you can see them right away. I like a nice wire belt clip. It says quick change, tool-free blade change. You know, screwdriver, double bits, tether ready. Listen, here's the deal. It's got a limited lifetime warranty. I think that we should start that lifetime now. Get this thing unboxed. I will tell you this much. It seems Milwaukee went for the frustration-free packaging on this one. I like it immediately because I like a flipper. And this one really seems to open quickly. If you look here, Milwaukee actually added some jimping to this knife. So we have a finger choil here, so you can get your finger in here, under here, and it's safe. And then we have some jimping at the top. I really feel like Milwaukee went kind of like tactical with this utility knife. Very comfortable. They have some more finger rest at the back here with more jimping. You know, depending on what's going on, as you're going towards a sheet, like, you don't want to slip off and then ride the blade. Like if you accidentally jammed into a sheet or whatever that you were trying to cut of rock, finger choil and this jimping could potentially save you from getting yourself cut. The quick blade change is as simple as pushing this button here, blade slips out. To replace the blade, you can see we don't even have to push that button back in. The blade pushes in and then it locks itself into place. So you can see the bottle opener here, signified by the little hieroglyphics on the knife. You know what's really awesome? If we look in this knife, Milwaukee Tool really took the page out of some higher end knife builders textbook. They've actually used bronze bushings at the pivot point on the knife. Now I'm gonna let you know that my American made Spydercos, they use bronze bushings at their pivot point. Less expensive knives from Spyderco and other manufacturers, they will use a silicone bushing. Some people feel that the silicone's more slippery. I found that the bronze bushings, if you lubricate them, I'm not telling you need to lubricate this, but when I maintenance my knives, I will lubricate them. They stay slippery longer, they last longer, and I'm gonna tell you something else. Bronze bushings cost more than silicone rings, or whatever the heck, a little silicone washer. So it's a bigger investment. So if silicone was really better, who would use it? Bronze is the way to go, in my opinion, and it looks like Milwaukee really invested in the quality of this knife. There's a lot of spring to this belt clip, which is nice. You don't have to worry about this getting bent out of shape. It's also replaceable, that belt clip. So if you did snap this belt clip or it got deformed, you could replace that belt clip, I suppose. I don't know if they sell just a belt clip. Maybe, I don't know. You know, but you could, potentially. It's pretty much a deep pocket clip. So only the top portion of the knife is exposed where it's placed. Even the bottle opener portion, here's the bottle opener portion, that next shelf down, that's actually concealed. So that knife is deep in your pocket. I like that, really nice. It comes out of your pocket. You can see it's tipped down, but you would pull it out. Your thumb would be right in position to deploy your knife. As it closes down, it would go right back into your pocket. I mean, that's fast deployment. I mean, that's really nice. Now, for the other functions of this knife, everyone will know that's been here for a while. When it comes to multi-function tools, you have to do something special to impress me. You can see this 1/4-inch drive comes with a double-sided bit, number 2, Phillips and slotted. It also comes with a 1/4-inch nut driver. So if you were in a bind, you could spin that hex head. I will say something else. If we look in closer, even the pivot points on the accessory are bronze. Really nice. We have that liner lock. The good part is that we can move to a second position. There's a detent here at 90 degrees. Now it's not locked. It's kind of like just a secondary position. If you needed to get more torque, you can leave that handle in this direction. Now just be careful. I mean, you could open or close it all the way on yourself. But there is a secondary position. The blade that comes with the knife, pretty sharp. They have a second position here. It's like a rope cutter. Okay, if you needed to cut rope, you could use this position. I don't necessarily understand, like, you know, whatever. Like, I don't understand why people would use this position to cut, like, just a rope. Like, okay, why here? Not there. I don't know, but whatever, people do. They have a couple additional offerings. The compact side slide utility knife is optimized to reduce accidental blade activation and retraction. Features a slide button, giving users maximum control in a new compact size for pocketed carry. The compact side slide knife has an all-metal body, features tool-free blade changes, a double-wire belt clip, and a tether-ready lanyard hole. They also have a compact folding knife. It is under 2.5 inches in length, and the handle is under 4 inches, allowing users to easily transport and store the knife in their pockets. It's also equipped with stainless steel drop point blade that stays sharp, a liner lock for secure and easy closure, durable belt clip that reduces pocket tearing, and a tether-ready lanyard hole. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, these new knives confirm Milwaukee's commitment to best-in-class durability and its relentless commitment to provide innovative solutions that will increase productivity and disrupt the marketplace for knife buyers. And if you like that, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, helps out the channel immensely, and you get 7 years of good luck. Also, what do you think of Milwaukee's new Fastback offerings? Do you think you'll trade in your old Fastback for a new Fastback? Do you like the new additions? Which one do you like best? Which one do you like least? We want to know, and so does Milwaukee Tool. I think they read the comments. I'm pretty sure they do. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.